What's up, y'all? I'm in my front yard. We gotta go around Dakota. There's the cleaner lady. Which always keeps her house clean. Oh, if you see that house all the way over there with the garage open, that's my friend's house. Dakota! Oh, Julia! Say hi to you too! Hey, Dakota! Dakota! Hey, come here, listen. Why you got all that nose, boy? Come here. Come here, Dakota. Oh, gosh. Hey, big stuff. Oh, shit. I cussed for a minute. Had to say the S word. Oh, what is this shit? Oh. No, that ain't. Oh, yeah, it is. As you can see right here. Oh, no, that's just dirt. Okay. This is my house. So we got stuck like always usual because he's a freaking clumsy dog. Hey, sometimes look at it. This dog is majestic. Oh gosh. Oh, get out the way. Oh, sorry. Sorry for you YouTubers. I just had to push my dog out the way. Sometimes he gets aggravated. As usual. That's his dog. That's his dog bowl. Oh yeah. I'm about to show you something. Here's the dog you do. I'm about to go road. I'm on my trampoline. It doesn't have no net, but I can hit a front foot. That's why this is gonna be actually awesome. I'm taking my shoes. Yeah, my socks have R's on them. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a front foot on my trampoline, like usual. I love doing front foot, but this might be super crazy. Yep, that's what my feet look like. This is what my face look like. As usual. I haven't seen nothing yet. That's my friend's house back there. Then I'm like doing front foot. If I don't, I landed it. Another video. Peace. I'm just kidding. Not a video. That's my friend's Joseph's house. My friend's house. My broken. God, almost broken. Phones. I keep on winning these phones. Oh my gosh. But see you guys next time.